Thank you so much, guys, for coming in. Today's wanted to share this video. I just decided to share this video because I wanted to clean up my kitchen, and I had this habit of sometimes leaving the dishes on the kitchen. And today I decided to share this one with you because sometimes you might feel not doing something, you're not okay, you feel bad, you don't want to do anything. And was one of my days, and I wanted to share actually with you how it was difficult, but at the end I just decided that I have to do this. So thank you so much, guys. Keep watching this video, it might inspire you, especially for those who feel sometimes not doing anything. They feel overwhelmed, they feel tired, they feel so exhausted. And this was one of my days of feeling that. And I decided to share with you guys. Sometimes you might feel so, as a mom, you might also feel very, very, very tired, very, that the body don't want to do anything. And there's nothing wrong on that, and nothing wrong on that, because we as human beings, we have those days that we can't do anything. We have the lower days, we have our high days, and this was one of my lowest days. And I was feeling overwhelmed. I was feeling so tired. I was so stressed, and I just decided to share with you guys to pick one on things. So let's start cleaning here and arrange everything together to be fine. Yeah, so as you can see there, I was like removing the dishes that was there for like two days. So I'm removing it to arrange new ones. So hopeful, guys, you enjoy this vlog, and hopeful you will enjoy it to the end. And thank you so much for guys for tuning it. And if you are new here, please welcome to the family. I hope you enjoy this video, and just keep watching as we are cleaning up here and doing some cleaning up. Thank you, guys, and see you in the next one.
So guys, I'm done now and it feels so good. It feels so good to be done with the dishes, and here is the final look, and I'm so satisfied to hear I be able to clean up my kitchen after wondering for a long time how am I going to do this, and I'm thankful that I made it, and I make myself that I'm gonna finish it today, and today I finish. And this is the look. It looks so good, and I'm grateful. Thank you for watching. And if you love this vlog, you want kind of this vlog, please comment down below, and I will be bringing kind of this vlog. So thank you, and have a fantastic day.